Replacing stop signs. They had a lot of stop signs out here, and not stop signs in general, but they had some street signs, stop signs, and they want to replace them with just one sign altogether with stop signs and a street sign. So that's what we're out here doing. We're out here pulling posts right now. I got Zack out here with me, and we rented this attachment from United Rentals, and we got a 2-inch round shaft, but they gave 2.5-inch round shaft, but they gave us a 2-inch hex shaft. Those two do not go together. So Jenna went to get the hopefully right attachment from United Rentals, because it's currently like 4:30 right now, or 4:45, and we're just trying to get this done. And they're not open tomorrow, so we can't get the job done if we don't have the right auger. So we're gonna get back to work here and keep moving along. Well, we're out here and we just got some unexpected rain. Zack's out here working hard in the rain. We're setting the posts out here, stop signs plus street signs in Peoria and a trailer park, and we're doing about 18 of them. We got all the posts pulled yesterday, so we just got our first one set. We're gonna put concrete in, and then we're gonna keep moving, see how many we can get done today. We should have them all done.
Yeah, luckily we were able to find a new auger unit to get us going.
We had to drive 3 hours round trip to go get an auger because the one with United Rentals didn't come through, but that's okay. We made do, and we're out here working.
Trying to figure out gonna get her done.
the trailer park installing signs. I'd say it's a pretty good day right here. Just kicking butt. We got one sign in about 15 minutes, which is really good. So we're gonna keep going. We should hopefully have this stuff done by mid-afternoon. Have the bit back and attachment and be heading home a little sooner than we thought. So yeah.
Hey everyone, I'm Zach here, helping Rolling Prairie Landscapes put in some posts. So it's a 4x4 wood post with a decorative white covering on the outside and then a crown on top. Turning out pretty good, it's going great. Patrick's really getting a handle on running that auger bit, and yeah, we're getting her done fast, so everything's going good. Customer wants a 2-foot hole. We're running a 4-inch post. We're using an 8-inch auger, so we only have to use one bag of concrete mix per post hole. So far so good.
We were talking about how we get the hole. So how we get the hole is I'll tip the loader bucket all the way down, or the attachment, tip it to where then it can sit level. Once because it swings and it kind of gets to its level position because of how it's set up. So then that's when I start digging the hole. So we get it in the position and we start augering, and I go up and down to get the dirt up to the top, and then we measure it. And then once we measure it, we figure out how much deeper we need to go, or if we need to go deeper, and then pack the bottom, and then we set the post. And then we set the post, then we pack dirt around the post.
Set the post.
So basically, yeah, we're gonna set the post, and I set the levels on here on 2 of the corners, not the same sides, opposite sides, and get it to level. And then Zach will fill the dirt at the bottom, and then we pack it.
So we're doing a 2-foot hole, so we want, 6 inches of dirt at the bottom that's packed. Maybe not even quite that. I'll kick a little bit of dirt in. Want some clay in there, especially if we got any to work with. But
yeah, clay packs a lot better than like your topsoil black dirt does.
And just go around
and keeping it level. And then after that, we'll throw concrete, and the concrete will set up after it rains. Hey, we're here at Royal Highlander, and we just finished up our job here of doing signs and stop signs, and we're unhooking the skid steer bits from the attachment, getting everything loaded up, and hopefully get this thing chained down, get out of here lunchtime, go get some lunch.
Yeah.
Yeah, we started yesterday afternoon and ran into some issues like you guys saw with, you know, we really needed a bit adapter, but luckily, with the help of Jenna, we were able to get hooked up with her dad, and the family friend found a unit that worked for us, and we're able to come back to down in Peoria in the morning and get her done. And
yeah, we got all the kinks worked out and say we got done in good time.
yeah,
And well,
331G worked out awesome.
Yep, this is good old 331G. She's old trusty unit. 25 hours now. So thanks for watching.
Yep. Put this in after. So I told Patrick for the video we gotta do a closing, and so here it is.
Thanks for watching. My name is Patrick.
And I'm Zach.
Thanks for watching the Rolling Prairie Landscaping YouTube channel.
And if you get the chance, head over to my channel, Zack Gudenkauf. Check out, we do off-road racing and other things. It's a new channel, and we're looking to get Patrick started. So thanks for watching, and hope to do this again in the future.
Thanks.